Hi guys, we are in Burlington. We're in Burlington. We get all the cute little purses. I don't know why I started over here at the purses. Just come by the purses. Just came in here to get a few things. I wonder if they have a cute little dress I can wear for Mother's Day. I just wear some of the stuff I got at home. And this basket making all this noise. Let's see, where is the women's clothes at? I don't know. Let's see, here we go. Trying to see where is the women's clothes. So I can see they have a cute little dress for me. Where am I? Women clothes, where are they? Oh, she over there, I think. There she go over there. Young men, big and tall, juniors. I just like a little summer dress. I end up wearing something I already got. I don't see no little summer dresses. That's cute. Lasts all day, every day. That's a cute little shirt. I want like a little summer dress to wear. How you guys doing on a Wednesday afternoon? Clarence, I see a Clarence rack over there. Over there. I want a summer dress. I don't know what it looks. See her, because she said, I'm going in and out. I don't see nothing. I don't like about this store. They don't have it. I see some little girl dresses over there. I don't see no summer dress for me. There go see her way over there. Looking. Junior, activewear. I don't see nothing. Hey, where is the summer dress? I like those pants over there. Those orange pants, like those. I'm so lost in here. I don't see nothing. I don't see no little dress. Little dresses. I see a skirt down there. Where's the dress? Maybe I'll go down here a little bit more and see, do I see a little dress? Pants. We'll go back this way and see. That's cute. I like that little shirt. Shorts. Pants. Young man, big and tall, activewear. Pants, shirt, skirt. Let me go look right here. I see a little. See that yellow hair? That look cute. And sports bras. That's cute. How y'all like that? That's cute. Let's see. A small. I don't know. Would that be cute on me? What do you guys think? I don't see no price on it. So they probably won't even know how much it is. Oh, he got a price in it. It's $15. Dang, Burlington. That used to be cheaper than that. I'll pay 10, but I'm not gonna pay no 15. That's cute. A little too big, extra large. Socks under $10. Guess their stuff is just all splattered out. Not like no certain thing in one spot. That's cute. Her. I don't see no more dresses now. They should have like a certain section with dresses. Skirts. Shorts. Let me see what's down here. Oh, that's cute. That's a cute shirt. This stuff a little expensive here. That's a cute shirt. Oh, hello, kitty. How much is this shirt? $8. That's not bad. Hello, kitty. Oh, that was skirts. Skirt. Dress shirts. This is cute. $13. I'm gonna pay $13 on me for a whole outfit. Guess everybody done bought up all their little cute little dresses for Mother's Day, so when they go to church Sunday. I like this. This is cute. I don't know where over something. I don't know price. I like that. I like this shirt too. This is cute. I like that shirt. How much is that? Clothes expensive. $14 for a Tommy Jean shirt. That's cute. Little shirt. Dang. You're gonna pay $11 for a shirt, right? That's cute. Yeah, you gonna pay a lot. You ain't see no little dresses nowhere? No? Really? Yeah. 16. Oh, okay. Oh, what did the line start? Oh my God, look at that line. Gonna be here forever. I say, look at that line. Where do it start? Down here? I know, it don't be in that line. I should have went straight to the line. All kind of spray of Frozen. All kind of perfumes. Tommy girl. Hat. Well, Easter hat. I mean, Mother's Day hat. Bags. Look at this line. They go all the way around. We'll be here forever. What is the powder things? Oh, those for your titties. Makeup brushes. This brush. Toothbrush. Ooh, I might need some of that. How much is that? $5. Miss should give me some of that. I think this worth $5.
What is it? Oh, spray? Yeah.
I should have brought my gift card. I know Vern said he need another sponge. There's 2 sponges in here. Let's see how much are they? $5. $2.50 each. Man, I'm used to paying $1 for a sponge. Not these days. You're not gonna pay no $1. Dang, I should have brought my thing.
How much was it?
Oh, this is a cute little wallet. $10. What is these headbands for the put in your hair? $5. Some house shoes. And I want to stop at their purses so badly. Two register, that's it. Only 2 registers open, all these people. Jesus. Yep, just 2 open. We'll go here and look at the purses while she's standing in line. It's a long line. Gonna be in there for at least an hour. I'll go here and look at the purses. Cute little purses. I need me another little backpack. This is so cute. Look at that. I wish it was black. That way it can go with anything, everything. Look at that. It is so cute. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's cute. Look at a pink one. I wish it was black. That's pink. Dang, $30 for that. Here go a black one. There's a black one. This is cute. That's the way to go with most everything. I like this pink one. It's so cute. I like that. I ain't gonna pay no $30. Here go a black one. This one's only $14, but that's ugly. That's a cute one. I don't need a purse. I got one purse at home I don't even use. Because it's like pink. It don't go with everything. This one is 17. That's cute. That's even cuter. How much is this one? I think this one is 20 something. Yeah, 24. I'm not gonna spend that much. The most I spend on a person is 20 bucks. How much is this one? 24. I should get this one. I think I'm gonna get this one. It's $24. That's just too girly. This one is okay. Oh, that got that one. This one is okay. I like this one. This one is like 25. But I like this one. I'm just gonna get this one. Cause I got that pink. And I need something that go with everything. And that's what I want. This is cute. Damn, that one is 50 bucks. 27, 39. Okay, I guess that's it, you guys. Let me go get in line with her. 24, that's cute. I wish it was like a backpack. I don't know. What do you guys think about this one? I'm gonna see if it's like a backpack or something. Out of these two. Okay, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Love you.